afternoon, distinguished guests, teachers, and fellow students. My name is Kaneshalingam Oviya, and I am honored to be here today to receive the PSLE Special Achievement Award. I am currently a Year 1 student at Raffles Girls' School. Before joining Mindstretcher, I was very anxious about the PSLE. I didn't know which areas I was strong in or where I needed improvement, and I had no idea where to start. The uncertainty was overwhelming and left me feeling lost and stressed. After joining Mindstretcher, everything changed. I began to realize the potential within me and identified both my strengths and weaknesses. This understanding was crucial for my improvement and success. The detailed worksheets and notes provided by Mindstretcher were incredibly useful. They helped me focus on specific areas and made my study sessions more productive. The Mindstretcher webinars were another highlight of my experience. They were not only fun, but also very effective in reinforcing my learning. The engaging content and interactive sessions made it easier to grasp difficult concepts and retain information. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the dedicated teachers and staff at Mindstretcher. Their support and guidance were instrumental in helping me navigate the challenges of the PSLE. To my fellow students, I want to share a few lessons I have learned along the way. First, don't be afraid to seek help. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses is the first step towards improvement. Mindstretcher helped me identify these areas, and it made all the difference. Second, make the most of the resources available to you. The detailed notes, worksheets, and webinars provided by Mindstretcher were invaluable. Use them to your advantage and stay focused on your goals. Lastly, enjoy the learning process. The webinars and interactive sessions showed me that learning can be fun and effective at the same time. Embrace every opportunity to learn and grow. As we continue our educational journeys, let's stay determined, keep an open mind, and strive for excellence. Remember, the expert in anything was once a beginner. Keep pushing forward and you will have the best possible chance of achieving your dreams.